Can you make Nora laugh? Can you go jump?
Chomp.
Go jump. Say jump.
Chomp.
Say jump.
Chomp. Chomp. No
Say
pitches.
jump.
No pitches. Ever.
Can you go tickle Nora's toes?
Tika.
Tickle her again. Tickle her again. I'm not taking pictures, William. Because I'm not. I'm just holding my phone. Say tickle, tickle, tickle. William. Go jump. Can you tickle Nora's toes?